Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd, your administrator. And today I wanted to just stop and I wanted to talk to you about three letters for the carpet cleaning world's website design and SEO management. Let me talk to you for a tick. I was introduced to this gentleman by a fellow carpet cleaner in the industry. And he did my website. He redid my website. He also did my Carpet Cleaning World Revolutions website. He handles all my SEO for my AdWords, my website presence. He handles all my advertising for Facebook now, especially since I'm getting busier with you guys. And he's handling my Yelp account. I wasn't too worried about Yelp in the past, but he's handling all of it. And it's getting me one thing: traffic, which is results. But it's not up to him once the results come in, once the traffic comes in. The result is up to me. But guys, see, I know that you guys are wondering, well, wait a minute, what was going on with Roger? Why is he always talking about these guys? Because I'm trying to tell you something. The carpet cleaning world is not like your average Facebook group in the industry. The carpet cleaning world is designed to do one thing: help you put your business on autopilot. You need to contact Chris from BMA. That's the word for website design and SEO for the carpet cleaning world. You know he's going to give you a 20% discount. I don't even talk to guys in the other business if they don't want to offer you guys something for even dealing with them, because you're doing them a favor. But this gentleman here, he's going to do you a favor, because I've had other website designers. I've had other guys handle my SEO. But you know what? When I need a quick tweak, when I need a quick change, it's always, I got to try to find where they're at, or they can't get on it right away. This gentleman has been handling all the changes, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I do a lot of changing on my website and Facebook page. I do a lot of it. And he reacts to it within 24 hours. 24 hours. Do you understand? See, I keep trying to tell you, carpet cleaning, what we do is event driven. So right now, I'm running spring specials, and they're all nice and look all nice on the website. But then in another couple months, I'm going to be running a summer special. And he's understanding this. He understands my philosophy. My cleaning business is event driven. And I need an SEO manager who can understand what my needs are. Just like I understand that he wants to get paid every month for the SEO work that he does for me. Well, then you need to be at my beck and call. You need to be available within 24 hours. We have to be reasonable. He has a life. But this is one guy that has yet to cease to amaze me by failing me. So what did I do? I said, hey, Chris. He said, hey, Roger. I said, listen, man. He said, what you got for me? I said, I need you to really do something for the carpet cleaning world. I said, I want to bring you out, because what you're doing for me and the type of response and traffic that I'm getting to my website now, I never got before. And I've dealt with quite a few SEO companies, but I never got it before. Not like this. You guys are in the carpet cleaning world. No, you're not in the elite group, but you're in the carpet cleaning world. So You need to think about if you really want to take your business from the infancy stage to the adult stage. And I know guys make comments and things like that when I make these videos. Guys, use your sense, use your mind. You use what God has given you, and you think about what good old Roger Lloyd is saying. I don't get paid for this. These guys don't, or I pay them. I pay this guy to do my SEO work. I pay House Call Pro for House Call Pro services. And now you see that what's that? I think that's Keith there. He's saying he uses Chris as well. See, a lot of you guys in here, if you can put your pride to the side, you can make a lot of money. Like, you don't have to tell me. Chris ain't going to tell you that you tell me that you call unless you want him to. So if you got some personal thing inside of you saying, oh, I don't want to use him because Roger Lloyd says so, well, then you're wasting money and you might be losing out. Because I'm trying to tell you, this guy is good. I've been dealing with him for a few months now, and I have yet to be disappointed. I've made a lot of changes in that time, and he jumps right in, and he takes care of it. Now, you have to understand that this is what he does for a living, and he has many clients. So you need to, like normally what I do, I messenger him on Facebook, and he gets back to me within a couple hours, and then the changes that I need are done within a few hours. But the website, guys, the website, check out my website, man. Like, it's all modern and up to date. It has the little carousel. It has the reviews. It just is so neat. I mean, people come to my website and they tell me they just call me because they like my website. You like my website? Did you read anything on it? Oh, I just like how you just had everything organized. You seem like a professional company. Are you a franchise? See, that's the end game right there. When anyone ever asks you, are you a franchise? You did something right to make them wonder what's going on. You did something right. All right. I'm going to keep it short tonight. But you know what? Chris did some things for me. You guys, I guess you saw the new little Carpet Cleaning Revolution World Conference video. Chris does some good work. He does good things. That's going to be all on YouTube. When you type in carpet cleaning or cleaning carpet or carpet cleaning business or whatever on YouTube, it's going to be a commercial now. Because this is the Carpet Cleaning World Revolution. If you choose to join it, that's up to you. You don't have to. I'm the first one to tell you. But it's going to be good. And it's going to be life-changing. It already is. And see, guys like Chris from BMA, House Call Pro, all of these guys already see my vision. They see my vision for the carpet cleaning world. Soon, I hope, will be the carpet cleaning industry. But that's okay, because like good old Jack said, all I need is a few good men and women. Just a few good men and women. And then, just like Apollo told Rocky in Rocky 3, when Rocky was getting trained by Apollo, and he told him, he said, tomorrow. He said, what are you doing, Rock? What are you doing, Rock? And Rock kept saying, tomorrow, I'll get it together tomorrow. So I'm here to tell you, you need to call Chris today. You need to call BMA today. Because there is no tomorrow. In the immortal words of Apollo Creed. Thank you. Until the next one.